So be like,
I can't do that.
in the what? Videotaping. I bet you can do it if you're strong enough. Stop, Mom. Videotaping. Hey, do you know where the croquet is? Oh.
Jake, we're not doing croquet right now.
Sorry, I don't know. Oh no. Oh my gosh, I just saw a little too much. Hey, Jake! What? And you want to lose it?
Have the neighbors called the police yet?
She's being very naughty. You told her not to touch the pumpkin. I'm not touching it anymore. I couldn't touch it.
Excuse me, Ryan.
When are we going to carve the pumpkin? Get him! Mom, when are we going to carve the pumpkin? Josh! When are we going to carve the pumpkin, Mom? When are we going to carve the pumpkin?
Get Josh! Go get Josh. Get Josh!
When are we going to carve the pumpkins?
I don't know.
One. Do you think they can get him?
Where'd he go? Go get him. Look. Where is he? He's coming. There he is. Ryan got him. Look, they're all ganging up on you. That's funny.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You guys are gonna make him turn green. Making green.
Dog pile on Josh. He's turning into the Hulk.
Alright, no, seriously though.
Are you videotaping?
Yes.
Who's on?
Do something.
Throw you in another.
Say something smart.
Yeah.
I'll say something smart.
That's right. All right, Jake. Oh, look it. There's Anna on the scooter. Scooter. Uh-oh.
It's okay.
Don't crash. Be careful. Any more smart comments? Oh, that's a good one too. Gross, Jake.
Ryan can do it worse. Even
What?
without pop. Ryan can do it worse even without pop.
I don't think I want to hear.
I can't pick all of you guys up.
Okay. I'm gonna keep him in the bowl.
Hey.
This one's easier because you can scoop it right off the sides.
Are we going to cook the seeds or something?
Uh-huh.
We are?
Yeah.
Pumpkin pie.
Yummy.
Of course.
No.
Pumpkin pie.
Here,
Let me make pumpkin pie.
Let me scrape it off.
No. I need that. Do they have another one? Ooh, this is a weird blue pumpkin. Oh wait, where do I put it in? This! Looks like a nice bowl. Okay, Jake. Cut Brian's head off. Ouch! Ah!
Oh, watch the seeds.
Because you're going too slow.
There's really not much inside of them. I know.
Yeah.
Watch out for Drake. Sometimes those small
Look.
ones have more.
Yeah. Ava, don't.
I had a really, after you do that, smile, a white pumpkin, it's
That smells gross. Get the bottom.
It was really wet.
It's really cool inside.
I got a big, huge pumpkin.
I don't remember if it was Thanksgiving or Halloween, but we all four of us got pumpkins.
Okay,
And
Ryan.
we each carved our own.
Even Anna?
Even Anna had a little one.
Lydia.
Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in this one.
Excuse me.
Let me see. I need a real. Let me see how much
Oh,
seed.
try to keep them in the bowl because we're gonna
Hey.
cook them.
This one's easier because you can scrape it right off the sides.
Are we gonna cook the seeds or something?
Uh huh.
We are.
Pumpkin pie.
Yummy.
Of course.
Yum.
Not with the seeds.
No.
Pumpkin pie with
Here.
the seeds.
You got it
Will you
all,
make
Ava?
pumpkin
Here,
pie?
let me scrape it off.
No. I
I
need that. I'm using it right now.
And off.
Just wait a minute.
And then you
Do they have another one?
Ooh, this is a weird blue pumpkin. No, wait, where do I put it in? This! This looks like a nice bowl.
okay, Jake?
Where's Anna?
Oh God.
Wait. I'm going to cut it off.
Abby, I need that. I'm using it right now.
Ava, wait till Abby's done. When she's done, she'll give it to you.
Okay. Ow. Be careful with that.
Lydia, what are you doing?
I don't know. I'll scrape you down. I need that after you.
I'm cutting
I already asked for
off
it.
sides.
Not until you're 16 years old.
Is that what they tell you in Arkansas?
They tell you that everywhere.
No. That's real cars.
No, that's real golf cart.
Oh yeah.
I'm not kidding.
Yeah, he's right. You can't drive on the street in a motorized vehicle unless you're 16. Four-wheeler,
Golf cart,
moped.
My friend, he's like 7 and he has one of those electronic little cart
Yeah,
that you can drive in.
but you can't drive on the street. You can drive on the driveway.
Okay.
Hi, Mom. Oh, there's Anna.
Hey, Uncle Nathan.
Oh my goodness, here comes trouble.
You
Yeah.
have to carve the mouth of the pumpkin.
Don't you come in front of call you
I
trouble.
do?
You get to.
Huh?
Why?
You get
What do they
to.
call
I'm
you?
not into all that.
You
Anna?
get to
Here,
cut it.
don't
They call you Anna.
To cut the mouth.
You're the one with the gifts.
The
You
gifts?
get those pigtails.
Because you don't want to do it?
Mom do it?
Why, you don't want to do it?
No, Mom.
You don't.
The one's called, what's her name? Mom's name.
There they go.
I was like, people tell you not to play with knives.
Did you say me?
I don't know what.
Did you say my name? No, somebody. Something else. I'm just hearing. I'm hearing.
Carla's just hearing things. That's all. There she goes. Hi, Mom. Love you.
I love you so much. Okay, chop my neck off.
Then that would be chopping your head off. So.
I know.
Guys, don't talk like that. That's awful.
Sounds like been watching Disney Channel.
It's terrible.
Uh-oh. Ah. They're gonna run them over. They're gonna run them over. There they go. Run them over. I want her ride. Can I get a ride? Rachel wants a ride.
No, I don't.
Where's Lydia? I don't know. You have Lydia and you
Lydia who? Oh, Lydia? Ah, Lydia.
Lydia. She says a video.
I think she's got it now, doesn't she?
I don't know.
Hey! Hi, Jake! Here they go.
Did you see the videos I made? We got a show.
No.
Show the videos I made of them chasing dogs.
Whoa.
That's pretty funny. And then one of Jen cutting the stems off with the butcher knife.
The stems.
Those are pretty good.
Oh, really?
And then all the kids taking the goo out of the pumpkin.
I'm glad we brought the battery charger for it. Uh-oh.
Oh, you silly.
Hi, Anna.
He's doing video, honey. Hey, listen to me. Listen, come here. Look at me. Hey, look at me. I have to go see Daddy for a minute and then I'll be back, okay?
Bye-bye.
Hungry.
Hungry. Ha ha ha, there he is. He's crazy. Driving crazy, Mom. Uh-oh. Come on, Ryan. You're gonna tip the cart over, man. Uh-oh.
Do you know where the cook is?
No, I don't actually. I didn't know they had one.
Well, they do.
Oh, really? No, I'm not sure.
Learn how to just do a little exercise right now.
You need to do that every day. Stop
Well, then you need to stay here and help me. And then you can help his mom too.
Yeah, we'll move in.
Yeah.
It'll be great.
Long way to work.
Yeah.
So you should have got that job in Fort Smith.
I'll take the company jet
Yeah.
every morning.
Yeah.
Oh, the company jet.
That's right. I heard Josh
Right there?
drank one of your Sprites.
Yeah, that's right.
Lame.
What's up, JC?
Now he has my headphones on.
I didn't know. Look at that. I didn't know. I didn't ask. So I didn't know.
How was I supposed to know that they don't sell them down here? Here's Mom. Ridiculous.
Oh, boy, I was playing.
Really?